Hello guys, this is Boy Gamer here, and we're gonna play some Subway Surfers. So, in this gameplay, we are gonna go play Subway Surfers, and in this Subway Surfers gameplay, we are gonna try to make our most bestest score. So, cross your fingers for this. We're gonna make a regular video in real life today with my friend, and I'm flipping on a bed. We're gonna use 2 mattresses, and then we're gonna do front flips. Well, I can't. It's too hard for me. Yeah. Okay. Oh, okay. 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 Ow. It hurt. Sammy. For you. Oh yeah. New high score. 2,000 guys. 2,000. I'm gonna go home. I'm gonna go shop. Actually, let's get out of here in the menu. There. Me. Awards. Let's see. Got 3 keys. A mission master. Okay. It's going to be in. Let's go to characters. Ooh, I got a gift. Got the dark outfit. How do I get Lizzie? Yeah, Lucy. I need. She needs 7,000, and I only have 2,150. So I have Jake, and let's go for this. So I love this gameplays that I do for iRec. If you guys do not know what iRec is, it's an app that you can't get from the App Store. You could, but it's not the right one. And then it's like you don't need to record to your computer. You can just you gotta download this app from online on Safari, and then after that you just gotta and then you just gotta and then it says download app. It says download iRec app. It's beta version, and they do a lot of stuff with that. And that's how you record with your phone. And that's how I do it. And then after that, we're all good. So, guys, this will be the end of my Subway Surfers video, and I'll see you guys in the next video.